Hi guys. No, you can't see me. You can only see my mouth. So I'm here. I'm gonna be showing you guys my favorite song. This is my second favorite, but I'm still showing it first. It's a frog song. It might need a little bit of lotion. I haven't played with this in a while, but it's really cold for some reason. It was really cold in our house just a little while ago, and then the container got cold. It might be my favorite though. I'm sorry, the camera keeps moving. Oh, let's get on to it. As you can tell, this one doesn't make that much noise, and it kind of rips. Moving on. And I got these in the reason, if you're wondering, the reason these are M&M fingers, because, well, there wasn't really M&Ms inside of this container. They were in baggies, like the little M&M baggies, the fun size baggies, and yeah. So here's my second slime. It's a slime. It's a white slime with um, conditioner in it and shampoo. It's really nice. Feels like milk slime, but milk slime, like, yeah. This looks exactly like milk. It's so white. And this one is obviously stretchier than the other one. This one isn't sticky. Well, I meant to say this one is sticky, but like, it's not. It's stretchier than the other one. This is my all-time favorite one. This is my favorite slime I ever made. Can't believe I knew how to make this one. This didn't take me for tries, but like at first it was getting all hard, and then I added the shampoo and conditioner and what's it called, lotion, and it turned like this. Oh, and I didn't use Elmer's glue for this slime. I didn't use Elmer's glue for this slime either. I used Playhouse or something like that. Playfun glue for this one, and then for this one, this is a mixture of lotion, clear glue, and some shaving cream. But this one is like favorite. And this one obviously makes noise. It was stretchy. I told you that. So yeah. I could add color to these, but like I already got a slime like this one right here. And it's colored green. But I don't really like that one. It's like a dirty green. And it's ugly. And this one, it kind of makes fluffy. The shampoo and conditioner I used was like mixed together actually, and um it it's really kind of fluffy. It looks fluffy, but not always fluffy. Like it looks fluffy, but not all the way. Like it feels fluffy. It looks fluffy, but it's not. It's from the shaving cream. It's not the shaving cream. I don't even have shaving cream. This one is old. This is why I said there was shaving cream in this one because it was. But there was only a little bit. So, yeah, this one has shaving cream as not shaving cream. Stupid. I'm stupid. But this one has shampoo and conditioner mixed together.